Filipino gymnast na si Levi Jung Ruivivar hindi inimbitahan sa Heroes Welcome kasabay ni Carlos Yulo, pinatawag ng Malacanang. Sa Instagram post ni Ruivivar, mababatid na nag-reach out pa siya sa GAP President na si Cynthia Carrion hinggil sa Heroes Welcome. Gayunpaman sinabihan siya ni Carrion na tanging mga Olympians na nagkamit ng medalya lamang ang pupunta sa Malacanang Palace noon. I wanted to come on here and address the question regarding my absence at the Heroes event in the Philippines. I truly wish from the bottom of my heart that I could have attended and been part of this event. But unfortunately, I was never informed that I was invited or presented with the opportunity to go. I heard from a member of the Olympic delegation that some sort of event was taking place in Manila to meet the president. On August 7, I sent a WhatsApp text message to NSA head, stating that I had heard that there was a coming event to meet President Bongbong Marcos, and I asked what the event entailed. On August 8, I received a message stating that it was only for medalists, Carlos and the 2 bronze medalists, the boxers. I responded inquiring if that what is in fact correct because I heard all Olympians were invited. I never received a response or any further information, and I still haven't had a communication about it. The following week, I was surprised when I saw all Filipino Olympians except of me, Aliyah and Emma, in Manila participating in a meeting with President Bongbong Marcos and participating in a parade. I was really hurt considering this was once in a lifetime opportunity I missed out on. I wanted to be part of the celebration with my fellow Olympians and to share in the excitement of success of this Olympics with my country, the Philippines. I truly wish I could have gone considering I have sacrificed endlessly to perform for my country and not to make everyone proud. I have no current obligation in the States. Before I head to Stanford early September, there was nothing prohibiting me from attending this extraordinary event. I want to let everyone know that I am so incredibly grateful for the support, the love, and the Pinoy pride. I am truly excited to continue competing for the Philippines, and I look forward to taking every opportunity to come in the Philippines and hopefully inspire the new generation of Filipina gymnasts that are the future. Sa kasalukuyan, masayang ibinahagi ng gymnast na si Levi Jung Ruivivar na siya ay inimbitahan sa Malacanang Palace upang ma-meet ng personal si President Bongbong Marcos. Ito ay kasunod ng trending news hinggil sa reklamo ni Ruivivar na hindi pag-imbita sa kanya at 2 pang gymnast na ginanap na Heroes Welcome noong August 14. Baka sa mukha ng gymnast ang kasiyahan at ito ay dahil inimbitahan umano siya ng Office of the President na nagtungo sa Malacanang Palace para isang pagdiriwang.